Good afternoon, my lovely student. I am Enkeja from APS. As we know that we are discussing the lost child from moment and the meaning of the lesson. The lost child means खोया हुआ बच्चा. And according to the chapter, I will have to follow some important lines which is already the key points to know the story of the lost child. A child goes to a fair with his parents. He is happy and excited and wants the sweet and toys display there, but his parents don't buy them for him. Why then does he refuse when someone else offers them to him? So this was the magical and miracle key points for the of the lost child. And according to the sense of this, I will form a story, and we shall able to understand it very nicely. So this is very easy chapter, and we have to know the facts and when it was occurred. So the story begins with the fair, village fair, and it was the festival of spring. This was the time of spring, and you know very well the month February and March are known as spring season. So that was the time. From the wintry shadows of narrow lanes and alleys emerged a gaily clad humanity. Just ठंड का मौसम जो है सो गुजरा ही था. Some walked, some rode on horse, others sat being carried in bamboo and bullock carts. On little boy ran between his father's leg, brimming over with life and laughter. And as we know that जो छोटा बच्चा होता है वो कहीं घूमने के नाम से बहुत खुश हो जाता है. Come child come, called his parents as he lagged behind. Lagged means पीछे छूट जाता था. Fascinated by the toys in the shops. ऐसा क्यों होता था उस बच्चे के साथ? जो भी चीज़ वो बच्चा देखता था वो बच्चा जो है सो उसी दुकान के सामने खड़ा हो जाता था और उसके मम्मी पापा आगे निकल जाते थे और वह पीछे छूट जाता था. He hurried towards his parents, his feet obedient to their call, his eyes still lingering on the receding toys. Lingering का मतलब एक नज़र में, टकटकी नज़र में उस टॉयज को देखना. ठीक है ना. आपने इमेजिन किया होगा कि बच्चा जो मार्केट जाता है पापा या मम्मी का हाथ पकड़ के तो कोई सामान जब देखता है तो वो पहले से उंगली खींचते रहता है. That means he wants to give you some message what he wants. Okay. So he hurried towards his parents, his feet obedient to their call, his eyes still lingering on the receding toys. As he came to where they had stopped to wait for him, he couldn't suppress the desire of his heart, even though he well knew the world. Cold stare of refusal in their eyes. I want that toy, he pleaded, he demanded, he said कि हम वह टॉय लेना चाहते हैं. His father looked at him, red eyes मतलब with anger. उसके पापा जो है सो आँख लाल पीला करने लगे. In his familiar tyrant's way, जैसे कोई क्रूर व्यक्ति करता है. His mother, melted by the free spirit of the day, was tender and giving him her finger to hold, said, "Look, child, what is before you?" It was a flowering mustard field, pale like melting gold as it swept across miles and miles of even land. कि देखो ये कितना सुंदर जो है सो दृश्य है. सारे खेत जो है सो मस्टर्ड फ्लावर से भरे पड़े हैं. A group of dragonflies were bustling about on their gaudy purple wings. उसके ऊपर जो है सो तरह तरह के फ्लाइज उड़ रहे थे और वह गॉडी पर्पल विंग्स, और उनके विंग्स जो थे सो बहुत ही शाइनी थे, गॉडी मीन्स शाइनी, इंटरसेप्टिंग द फ्लाइट ऑफ ए लॉन ब्लैक बी और बटरफ्लाई इन सर्च ऑफ स्वीटनेस फ्रॉम द फ्लावर। वह वहाँ क्यों मंडरा रहे थे? फ्लाई, क्योंकि दे सर्च द फ्लाइट ऑफ अ लॉन ब्लैक बी और बटरफ्लाई इन सर्च ऑफ स्वीटनेस फ्रॉम द फ्लावर्स। The child followed them in the air with his gaze till one of them would steal its wings and rest, and he would try to catch it, but it would go flapping up into the air. When he had almost caught it in his hand, then his mother gave a cautionary call, "Come, child, come, come on the footpath, onto the footpath." मतलब कि one of them would steal its wings and rest, and he would try to catch. जैसे एक जो तितली थी उसको उसने पकड़ने का कोशिश किया, but it would go flapping up into the air. When he had almost caught it in his hands, लेकिन जैसे ही लगभग उसने उसको पकड़ लिया, then his mother gave a cautionary call. उसकी मम्मी ने आवाज़ दी, "Come child, come on to the footpath." कि जल्दी आओ, यहाँ आओ. He ran towards his parents gaily and walked abreast of them for a while, being however soon left behind, attracted by the little insect and worms along the footpath that were teeming out from their hiding places to enjoy the sunshine. जब वह लड़का दौड़ते हुए अपने पेरेंट्स के पास आ रहा था तो उसी समय, उसी क्षण, being however soon left behind, attracted by the little insect, he saw some little insect along the footpath, उस फुटपाथ पे, that were teeming out from their hiding places, जो इंसेक्ट थे वो हिडिंग प्लेसेस से निकल रहे थे टू इन्जॉय द सनशाइन, मतलब धूप लेने के लिए और सूरज के धूप को सेकने के लिए. ओके, इट्स वेरी वेरी नेसेसरी फॉर द इंसेक्ट्स एंड फॉर द ह्यूमन बींग्स ऑल्सो. कम चाइल्ड कम, हिज पेरेंट्स कॉल्ड फ्रॉम द शेड ऑफ ग्रोव वेयर दे हैड सीटेड देमसेल्व्स ऑन द एज ऑफ वॉल. ही रैन टुवर्ड्स देम. फिर बच्चे को आवाज़ दिया गया, कम चाइल्ड कम. हिज पेरेंट्स कॉल्ड फ्रॉम द शेड ऑफ अ ग्रोव. ग्रोव का मतलब कि पेड़ लगे हुए थे, उस पेड़ के छाँव के नीचे वो बैठा हुआ था, उसके मम्मी पापा बैठे हुए थे और उसने आवाज़ दिया. दे हैड सीटेड देमसेल्व ऑन द एज ऑफ अ वेल. और उस बगल में एक कुआं थी, ठीक उसके किनारे पे बगल में वो बैठे हुए थे. ही रैन टुवर्ड्स देम. बच्चा उनके पास जाता है. ए शावर ऑफ यंग फ्लावर फेल अपॉन द चाइल्ड एज ही इंटर्ड द ग्रोव. जैसे ही ग्रोव में बच्चा इंटर्ड करता है, प्रवेश करता है, उसके ऊपर जो है सो फूलों की जो है सो बारिश होती है. एंड फॉर गेटिंग हिज पेरेंट्स, वह बच्चा जो है सो पेरेंट्स को भूल जाता है. ही बिगैन टू गैदर द रेनिंग पेटल इन हिज हैंड. और वह क्या करना शुरू करता है, वो जो फूल ऊपर से शावरिंग होती है उसको जो है सो इकट्ठा करना शुरू कर देता है. बट लो, ही हियर्ड द कूलिंग ऑफ डॉव्स एंड रैन टुवर्ड्स हिज पेरेंट्स शाउटिंग, द डॉव, द रेनिंग पेटल्स ड्रॉप फ्रॉम हिज फॉरगॉटन हैंड्स. ही हियर्ड द cooing of doves. Cooing means the voice of the white bird. Doves जो होता है एक white bird होता है, like pigeon. Okay, and ran towards his parents shouting, the dove, the raining petals dropped from his forgotten hand. और उसके हाथ से फूल के जो पेटल होते हैं वो गिर जाते हैं. Come child come, they called to the child who had now gone running in wild capers round the banyan tree, and gathering him up they took the narrow winding footpath which led to the fair through the mustard field. Come child come, they called to the child. बच्चे को बुलाते हैं who had now gone running in wild capers round the banyan tree, and gathering him up they took the narrow, winding footpath which led to the fair through the mustard field. As they neared the village, the child could see many other footpaths full of throngs. Throngs means crowd. मतलब क्या कि जैसे ही गांव के नज़दीक पहुँचे तो द चाइल्ड कुड सी, बच्चा ने देखा, मैनी अदर फुटपाथ फुल ऑफ थ्रॉन्ग्स, मतलब लोगों से भरे हैं. थ्रॉन्ग्स मीन्स क्राउड. ओके. कॉन्वर्जिंग टू द व्हर्लपूल ऑफ द फेयर. फेयर कैसा दिखाई देता है, मेला कैसा दिखाई देता है, व्हर्लपूल के तरह. व्हर्लपूल मीन्स पानी, आपने देखा होगा उसमें जो घूमती हुई पानी होती है उसको हम लोग व्हर्लपूल कहते हैं. ठीक वैसा ही महसूस उस मेले में हो रहा था. एंड फेल्ट एट वंस रिपेल्ड एंड फैसिनेटेड बाय द कन्फ्यूजन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ही वॉज इंटेंग. और मेला में घुसते ही वह कन्फ्यूज हो जाता है टू सी द सर्कमस्टांसेज एंड टू सी द एटमॉस्फियर ऑफ द फेयर. ए स्वीट मीट सेलर हॉक्ड गुलाब जामुन, रसगुल्ला, बर्फ़ी, जलेबी. उस मेला में एक फ्रूट सेलर जो है, एक स्वीट मीट जो है, स्वीट सेलर जो है वो चिल्लाते रहता है गुलाब जामुन, रसगुल्ला, बर्फ़ी, जलेबी एट द कॉर्नर ऑफ द एंट्रेंस, एंड अ crowd pressed around his counter at the foot of an architecture of many colored sweets decorated with leaves of silver and gold. The child started open-eyed and his mouth watered for the barfi. That was the favorite sweet. I want that barfi. The boy is now demanding. The boy is telling to his parents, I want barfi, because barfi is one kind of sweets which the boy liked most. Okay, he slowly murmured, but he half knew as he begged that his play would not be heeded because his parents would say he was greedy. But वह जानता था कि अगर हमने डिमांड की अपने पापा से तो निश्चित रूप से ये मना करेंगे और समझेंगे कि वह बहुत लालची है. So without waiting for an answer he moved on. बिना कोई आंसर का वेट किए हुए वो वहाँ से क्या हुआ, चल पड़ा. A flower seller hawked a garland of gulmohar. A garland of gulmohar. Gulmohar is one kind of flower. Okay, so a flower seller said a garland of gulmohar. A garland of gulmohar. The child seemed irritably drawn. He went towards the basket where the flowers lay heaped and half murmured, I want that garland. Again the boy is asking and boy is demanding the garland, but he well knew his parents would refuse to buy him. कि उसके पेरेंट्स जो है सो रिफ्यूज करेंगे कि ये परचेज नहीं करो, ये जो है सो क्या हैं, ख़राब हैं, ये क्या हैं, ख़राब हैं. But he well knew very well his parents would refuse to buy him those flowers because they would say that they were cheap. Cheap means here घटिया, सस्ता, मतलब अच्छे नहीं हैं. His parents told it is not good. So without waiting for an answer he moved on. And once again he moved on from the flower seller, and he understood his parents will not buy any kind of thing in here because father always used to refuse to purchase the boy demanding. So in next class I will explain from a man stood holding a pole. Okay, but you have to read it, and which I have discussed, you will have to try to watch the video and try to understand the story of it. Okay, thanks.